Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this tutorial, I will guide you through a detailed exploration of the range rank within the context of indicator value and its impact on backtesting results. Range rank refers to the assessment of the ranking of the current value relative to the previous value within a specific time frame. By calculating the percentage of the current value in relation to the minimum and maximum values, this percentage reflects the relative ranking of the current value within the given time period. The formula for range rank is current value minus lowest historical value divided by highest historical value minus lowest historical value multiplied by 100. In comparison to OPR, the results of range rank are relative values, ranging from 0 to 100. It's worth noting that the selected time frame includes the current day, allowing range rank to gauge the relative position of the indicator value in the market for that day. Now, let's look at an example from backtesting. Let's get started by selecting SPY as our symbol and set the backtesting time range at 20 years. You have the option to either customize the name of your backtest or keep the default option provided. In the Entry Conditions section, select Symbol Close from the drop-down list of Symbol OHLCV and set the condition for a 60-bar period of range rank, simultaneously configuring the cross above parameter to be 10. Next, in the Exit Conditions section, perform the same steps but set the condition for a 60-bar period of range rank with the parameter greater than 95. Once that's all set, hit the Run Backtest button to start the analysis. After it completes, you'll automatically be taken to the Results tab, showcasing the outcomes. Let's take a look at the chart. On January 28, 2022, the range rank value for symbol close met the condition of cross above 10, triggering a buy trade. On August 10th, the range rank value for symbol low met the condition of being greater than 95, meeting the exit conditions, leading to a sell trade. Now, let's verify the range rank value on January 28th. The value for symbol close on that day is 441.95. Over the 60 trading periods leading up to January 28th, the minimum value for symbol close was 431.24 on January 27th. And the maximum value was 477.71 on January 3rd. By calculating the range rank, we obtained a value of 23.0471%, confirming the accuracy of this figure. Thank you for listening to this tutorial on explaining range rank. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to share them in the comments section of this video.